technical sales team for SATIR. Today we're going to show you a little bit about the DX300. So again, within the camera you have batteries, battery charger, certificates, cables which are in the lid, storage manual on the SD and headset for the camera. The DX300 comes with various options. Again, different viewing modes, picture-in-picture, merging. So you've got all the standard different viewing modes within the system. Again, 3 ranges, -20 to 650. And then the standard analysis system as well. When we look at the area boxes, we can do areas and we can preset 2 different areas as well in terms of analysis modes. Color palettes, a wide range of color palettes. Digital zoom up to ×10. If we want an isotherm, we can actually put an isotherm in. And then laser pointer. Sometimes we don't always want the temperature bar, which is automatic or manual. We can switch it on and off. So it's a nice easy system. We can go into system and then we can start to switch on and off on the screen, different parameters. So you can see most of them are switched off, but I could put Wi-Fi, GPS enabled. You can select what you want on the screen. HDMI, so again, if you want to import the information to a computer, you've got a nice HDMI cable. Within the menu system you have other, and then in here we can select different save formats, radiometric video, normal video. We can select super resolution. We've got merging of different distances depending where we are, but then also you have autofocus if you want to use autofocus as opposed to manual. To remove the lens, you press the button and rotate, but then also within here you've got the HDMI connection, the SIM and the SD card. Saving an image is just pulling on the trigger. Once you've pulled the trigger, you can then select different modes before you save the information. If you want to record audio or text, you can select, and then you can just select save, and it saved the image, either still or video.